Hello everyone and welcome to How I Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace keyboard in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: plastic tool and tweezers. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. You can buy replacement keyboard using this part number. Also, in the description under the video I'll add link where you can buy new keyboard for this laptop. Now turn on the laptop and test new keyboard. In the description under the video I'll add link to the site where you can test new keyboard by clicking on each button. Well, as that's all, you are on How I Fix It, and see you guys next time.